Hey YouTube, it's your boy David Corey. I just got received a gift from CC's Texas Garden, and let's see what it is without making a big mess out of it. Baby, I want to get this paper because I do not want to lose. Wind blowing. There we go. One more piece. And what these are some Dixondale onions. Yes, yes. It's a bundle of them. Thank you, CC. I appreciate you. Now let's get started planting. Hope everybody out there is doing okay today. Sometimes it's hard to get these loose. And far enough to make sure that I can grow nice bugs. Hold on, good people. Okay, I'm back. So what I did, just covered the drawer, you know. I just stuck them in there. And then now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna water them in, right? And I got some remaining few. I might put them right over in here where you already see those growing. See those few growing. And there's some Swiss chard in here. There's two. One is right here, and the other is right here. It's red. And yeah, garlic, garlic, onions. That's garlic, and there's some onions right there. But there was one over there as well, a walking onion, if you can see that little faint green right there. But yeah, I'm gonna plant the rest of these over in here. Let's get to it. Hopefully you guys don't blow over with a strong wind. Okay. I was saying it was an onion here. Here it is right here.
think I should just plant some around the base of this. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I got y'all plant looking away. Yeah, we're gonna plant some. Let's get on this side now. Just plant my remaining around the base of this old pipework that they used to use at the phone company. There's about 2 more plants that came out of the soil. Let's see if I can get you to grow right there. Let's see. Then I got a very tiny. Let's see what you'll do right there, young fella. Pulled you out the soil. Let's see what you'll do right here. Let's see. As you can tell, come in closer. One right here, one right there. So now let me close these in with some soil around them. You don't just want to leave them like that. Although they will contact the soil. You kind of want to make, oh, I dropped one, didn't I? Let's put you over here then. Okay. Come on down here. You just want to really make sure they're making contact with the soil. You put soil around the bottom of it. Okay, folks. There we have it. CC's Texas Garden. I appreciate you. Keep growing, little sis. Keep growing. Do your thing. I see you. Inspiration. Great friend. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can get all my videos. All right? Thank you. It's time for me to go get those peppers over there now. Okay. Thank you, guys.